So for today's recipe of Kothimbir vadi, I've taken 2 cups of coriander leaves. I first soaked them in some water to which I've added salt for 15 minutes, washed it well, let it dry and then chopped it fine. Here is 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan, 4 tablespoons of rice flour, half a cup of water, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is some turmeric or haldi powder, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and an inch of ginger which I've just grated, and I've kept my steamer also, already with the water inside. So now I'm going to add the besan to a mixing bowl. To that I'm going to add the rice flour. We're going to mix these two together really well. You can use a whisk that ensures that both the flours get mixed evenly. Now this dish gets ready also very quickly, so it's a nice evening snack or when unexpected guests come. Now I'm going to add my cumin seeds or jeera powder. I'm going to mix that in well. Next I'm going to add my red chilli powder, the turmeric or haldi powder, my asafoetida or hing, and the roasted cumin powder. I'm also going to add the sugar as well as some salt to taste. Now we're going to mix all of these ingredients really well together. So now we have all our dry ingredients mixed. I'm going to add in the grated ginger and the lime juice. Again, mix everything really well. And now we're going to add our chopped up coriander. So chop it up really fine. And now we're just going to mix all of this together, and we're going to add a little water at a time to make a kind of a thick dough. To this consistency. Now I've just put a little bit of oil or brushed a little bit of oil to my steel plate like this, and I'm just going to put this mixture onto the steel plate, and I'm just going to press it down like this. Now we want an inch of thickness at least. So just pat it down like this. Now prepare your steamer. Let the water start boiling in the steamer. Put enough water in your steamer, and then just put this on the stand in the steamer and steam it for 15 minutes on a high flame. Let it cool completely, and once it is cooled down completely, you're just going to cut it up into squares like this. So this is what the thickness we're looking for. Now you can eat them just like this if you don't want to add any oil, or you don't want to fry them. But I like to shallow fry them. I don't like to deep fry them, but you could deep fry them also. They become very crispy. But I just like to add about a tablespoon of oil and fry them on both sides till they're nice and crispy. So we're looking for this kind of a texture where it's nice and crispy on the top, and it's very nice and soft in in the inside, and it tastes really good. And I like to serve this with a chutney. All I've done is just taken a plain green chutney and added some chilled curd to it. I'll leave the recipe for the chutney in the description box below. And this is an ideal snack, even a good tiffin item, or just when unexpected guests come. So do give it a try. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.